Hello children, today we are going to learn a new letter. The letter is T. The letter sound is T, T, T. So this is the letter T, T. Or the sound is T, T, T. Okay children, can you see this picture? This is a tiger. Tiger is starting with T, tiger, T, tiger. The letter T says T for tiger. Can you say T, T for tiger? The T sound made with your tongue behind your front teeth. There isn't any voice coming from your throat. So this is sound T coming from your tongue behind your front teeth. Right, children? We use the T sound in lots of words like 10 tiny teeth. See, this cat, it has 10 tiny teeth. 10 tiny teeth. All are starting with T, T, 10. T, T, tiny. T, T, teeth. 10 tiny teeth. Let's look at the other one. Tickle your shoes. Tickle your shoes. Tickle. Tickle. Tickle your toes. Tickle your toes. Ha 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 ha. Okay, what is next? Next we have talk on the telephone. Talk on the telephone. Talk on the telephone. Say t on the telephone. Talk on the telephone. Okay. Let's go. Let's move on to next page. Show me the pictures that starts with T sound. See the pictures we have. We have tiger. We have tortoise. We have a table, a face, teeth, a flower. So what do you think? Is tiger starting with T sound? Yes, you are correct. Is tortoise starting with T sound? Is that? Yes. Is table starting with T sound? Yes. So, can we join the T sound to face? Can we? No, it is wrong. So, we do not. The teeth. Teeth is starting with teeth. So, we can match the teeth. And then we have a flower. Can we match the flower to sound? No, we can't. Here there is a word we can make with 3 letters. Can you read it? Let's try to read this word. This is k, k, k sound. K, k. And then a, ka, ka, ka. And then t, t, t. So we read it as cat, 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 cat. Okay, children. And I hope everybody has a good idea about the lessons that we learned. The phonics cat. Good. Let's start the story on next video. Bye bye.